In this video, we're starting our detailed series on Adobe Premiere Pro with AI. In this lesson, I'll walk you through the Start screen, the very first window you see when you open Premiere. You'll learn what every option here does, what's new in this version, and how to create your very first project the right way. When you launch Premiere Pro, you'll see this clean and modern home interface. Here, you can see the welcome screen of Premiere Pro. From here, you can check out what's new in Premiere and even explore some free tutorials to get started. If you don't need this right now, you can simply close the window, and later you can bring it back anytime by clicking on this little icon right here. The Start screen divided into two main areas: left sidebar, which helps you start or manage projects, and main dashboard, which displays your recent work and learning resources. Let's start from the left sidebar. This is your quick navigation panel. You'll see these main options. Home brings you back to this screen anytime. Learn opens the learning panel with tutorials and guided practice projects. The Templates section gives you access to a wide range of free and premium motion graphics templates, titles, and even preset project templates. You can use any of these in your own projects to save time and make your videos look more professional and polished. At the bottom, you'll find some special options. New Team Project for collaborative editing with multiple users. Open Team Project to resume an existing team project. Open Premiere Rush Project lets you import and continue editing mobile projects from Adobe Premiere Rush. The large central area of the Start screen is your main dashboard. Here you'll find a welcome section greeting you with your Adobe ID name at the top. In the middle, Premiere highlights the latest features or AI tools like the new Generative Extend, which adds frames to extend a shot or fill missing moments. Below the feature cards, you'll see your recent projects list. This section keeps track of the projects you've worked on recently, showing the project name, type, when it was last opened, and its file size. For example, here you can see my project titled Untitled, marked as a Premiere Pro project. Now, this button is used to create a new project, and you can also use it to open an existing one. In the next video, we'll go step by step and learn how to create a brand new project in Premiere Pro.